Hello. Uh, I'll show you how I made my lowers for my '08 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. This won't work for everybody because my frame happens to be right here and it's easy to connect. So I started with 3/8 plexiglass. These are the two I use. It's already, already cut them. But it's 12 by 9 to start with. Put tape on both sides of it, on both panels, and cut out that shape on both of them. Now just measure, see what you want to put in there. And as you can see, well, the tape I used keep from getting all scratched up before I pulled it off. I even put tape on the bottom of my jigsaw because I didn't, in case I didn't want the metal scratching through it and getting to it. When I was done cutting out the pieces, I sanded down the edges pretty well. It's my dog snorting, and sanded down the edges, and then when you're done doing that, it's a trick I learned, helps a lot. You just get your torch and you go over the edges. Hold on, let me get this going here. Just go over the edges, kind of, well, those have tape on them, but you go over them kind of slow, and it'll round them out, it'll smooth them out even more. And so then all you got to do after that is figure out where you're going to attach it. These are 75-pound zip ties. So I just cut the holes in there, and then I used a Dremel to make a slot. And I had these straps laying around, so I just used that. And just attached it that way. This design was, because they were supposed to go on my forks, but turns out that in the summer these rotate a lot more easily, and if the wind hit them, they just would have bent them back. They were going to be attached by these things, but that's pretty much how things went. It fell. So that's about it. Did that, and it cuts down a lot on your pants flapping and smacking you around, and even with boots, my biker boots, the pants were just whipping the hell out of me. So that didn't take me very long to do the whole thing, and I've been on the highway, and it's worked out really well. So anyhow, it should, like I said, it should work on the 900. I used to have a 500, but I didn't have crash bars. But if you have crash bars on that, anything with a frame and crash bars, you should be able to get one in there. So that's it. Got any questions or anything, let me know. See ya.